Hey everyone, it's the start of a brand new week. Let's heat things up and draw Devil Piggy from Roblox Piggy. Let's get started at the top center of our page and draw a large circle for the head. So we start at the very top. It's going to work in the left side. It's going out, come down the side, and then in towards the center. Then we'll go up along the right side. Going out, and just pull that up towards the top. And then we'll draw a small circle for the snout along the bottom half of the head. So let's start in the center of the head. Start with a circle coming all the way around towards the bottom. We'll leave a little gap on the bottom of the head. We go out and then up on the right. Let's add in the nostrils. We're going to move out to the side, draw a small circle, starting on the left. And then we'll line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's move up to the top of the head and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start on the left side, come all the way down toward the bottom of the eye, and then back up towards the top. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Coming all the way down toward the same height, and then back up. Now we're going to trace the left eye along the inside, starting from the top. Just want to leave an even space gap all the way around, and then back up. Let's fill that outer ring in black. And then we'll move over and fill in the right eye. Let's add the cheeks below each eye. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw an oval. So we go all the way down towards the bottom and pull that back up toward the top. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and then back up. And now we're going to move up to the top and draw on the horns. We're going to start directly above the left eye, curving out and then hooking that back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Directly above the right eye, curve out, and then in. Now we're going to bend the horns going out towards the tip. Just rounding this out, and then going out. Now the outside of the horn is going to get thicker as you come back in towards the head. So let's start at the top. Just going to taper this, going all the way around, out towards the side, and then in towards the side of the head. Let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head. We're going to curve the body going out and all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. We're going to go out in the opposite direction and bring that down towards the same height. Let's add some folds along the bottom of the dress. We're going to start on the left. We're going to curve down and then up. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll connect the inside with another curve. Coming down and then up. Let's add a couple folds along the bottom. Starting from this point, we go straight up and then just bend that in. Do the same thing on the right. And then we're going to add a couple folds underneath the head. We're going to start on the left, curve out and then down, go to the right and do the same thing. Now draw the left arm holding the pitchfork out towards the side. So let's start from the top of the body. We're going to curve the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. Start from the wrist, go up, bend the thumb coming down. We'll round out the tip of the thumb and then go back up. Let's add the palm. From the inside of the thumb, curve down and then hook that in. Let's wrap the hand around the pitchfork. We're going to start on the side of the thumb, go out, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up underneath the thumb. Let's draw the pitchfork in behind the hand in an angle. We're going to start at the top of the hand, start with a straight angled line, going up and then out. Now I'm going to step in, draw that same angled line, coming down, in behind the hand. Now I'm going to continue these two lines underneath the hand coming down towards the bottom. Let's start with the outside. So I'm going to come straight down to right about there. Do the same thing on the inside. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back up to the top. We'll draw a straight angled line going across the bottom edge of the pitchfork. And then from the ends, we're just going to round this out towards the top. Starting on the left, curve out, and then back in. Go to the inside, go in the opposite direction. Let's add the points. Starting on the outside, start with a short line going out on either side. Then we'll angle up and in. Let's draw the inside of the pitchfork. Starting from the top, just going to curve out and then down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll come in with a straight line, leaving a gap in the middle. Let's draw the center of the pitchfork. Starting from the left side, draw a straight angled line going all the way up towards the top. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go out with a short line towards the side. And we'll go up and in towards the center point with a straight line. Let's go back down and finish off the arm. From the bottom of the hand, we're going to step down, curve the palm coming in, and hook that up. And I'm going to step back down, curve in and up in behind the body. Let's move over and draw on the right arm. We're going to line up the inside edge of the arm, curve out, and then down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Now we want to curl the hand around that thumb. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve around towards the bottom. I'm just going to pull that up. We're going to curve the arm going up and in towards the top of the body. So we'll go up and then bend that in. Now let's layer the wings in behind the body. We start from the top on the left, curve the top of the wing going out and then up. Go to the right and do the same thing. We want to bring this up towards the same height. And then we'll curve the outside of the wing going out and then down. Let's start on the left. We're going to go in behind the pitchfork. Continue on the outside, going out and then down. Let's add that thick ridge around the outside of the wing. Starting from the bottom, we're just going to taper this so it gets thicker as we go up. We go in behind the pitchfork and then up towards the top. And we'll follow the same curve going down and then in behind the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add a simple feather texture around the bottom edge of the wing. Let's start on the left side, curve in, and then bend that up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming in and then up. Now halfway along this curve, we're going to do that again. Coming in and then up. And we'll continue this all the way back in towards the body. Let's start back on the left, go in behind the pitchfork, up on the inside. Do that one more time. Stepping down, come in and up in behind the body. Go to the inside, curve the wing going in and up in behind the body. Now there's one last detail I want to add at the base of the pitchfork. We start over on the left side, we're going to curve out and then back in towards the side. Go to the right, curve in the opposite direction, and then come in. And then we'll go to the top on the left, draw a straight angle line coming across towards the right. Line this up on the right, come across towards the left. And that's pretty much it. There's Devil Piggy from Roblox Piggy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.